everyone, I'm Josh. This is my awesome assistant. So the exercise I'm going to show her today is called overhead press. Okay, so it's overhead press, and it is a multi-joint, meaning it works more than one joint. Exercise. So let's get to it.
Oh, this is for my tennis elbow?
Yeah, for the lateral couple lines.
Okay.
So keep your palms facing forward.
Okay.
Yep, shoulder width or shoulder height.
Okay.
And your feet don't separate out slightly.
Okay.
Shoulder width forward.
Okay.
Hip width. That's good.
Okay.
Other one. And now you want to push up slowly over your head.
Mm-hmm.
And then come down. There we go. Go up. And then come down. So some common faults. Sometimes I see like you do it or other people do. Is their elbows rotate a little bit out. So just make sure. Yeah. Like you want to keep them tight. Or closer to the mid. Right side arm.
Okay. And then rotate half of my head.
Yes.
Okay.
And then do not follow the dumbbells with your eyes. Don't do that. You can do good for the most part. You want to keep your eyes forward.
Okay.
So that's good. That's how you would execute a overhead press. Thank you.